I just want to show you guys something really exciting that's happening in your leg right now. Now, remember, I'm not marketing right now, and I got that leg going, and then a lot of you guys have started to create a lot of activity while I'm focusing right now here at the end of December, into the year. I'm focusing right now on developing the emails, the presentations, the content, and the systems for an online marketing blast off here in early 2020. I'm going to be giving you guys the tools, the resources, the presentations, the follow-up emails, all of that stuff. Of course, there is a lot you could be using right now in Jason Cardamone's Team Inspire group. Aaron Rashkin has a group with Getting Started training. Aaron Parker has training. There's awesome webinars each week that our upline does, reviewing the products, reviewing the opportunity. And hopefully you guys are plugging into that and moving through the Getting Started trainings. But while I'm creating our online marketing blast-off system, if you want to call it that, here at the end of the year, things are still happening. And this really shows and reflects the power of this system and the power of, well, the products and the excitement and the tools that Hempworx provides. So for example, I'm not doing any marketing right now. Let's go look at the bottom of this leg. I'm going to click left bottom. And this is your team growing. I mean, just about everybody listening to this video right now has this happening underneath you right now. This is your team I'm looking at because we get to work together. It's so powerful. You only need 2 legs for life-changing income. And this has everything to become a legacy company, meaning it will be here 5 years, 10 years, 30 years from now. And if that's the case, this is insane, the amount of money you guys will all be able to be making. This is the kind of stuff that, legends are made of in families. Like, you change people's lives. You can set up trusts. It's crazy. So again, we never can read the future 100%, but everything is here for this to become a legacy company. Okay, so I'm not even marketing right now. I'm going to pick up my marketing again in January so I can focus on developing the content, the presentations, and the training for you guys that I promised. But look at what's happening. I'm at the bottom of your leg here. This is under you. We have somebody, and you can tell who referred them. It wasn't me. So maybe somebody watching this video right now referred Delilah at the bottom here. Today, December 22nd, and it gives the timestamp. I think that's Eastern time, but I'm not really sure, for this afternoon. Let's go up one. And we're going to see that a different enroller referred this person. It's a different enroller than this one. And this is the power of teamwork that's under you right now, that's happening. And then this person was referred again today, also this afternoon, by another enroller. So you're sleeping, you're working, you're doing errands, things are happening for you. Get excited. This is happening in your business right now. Let's go up another line. Someone else was referred today by a different enroller. These are all different enrollers, and we can keep going up. Here's another one that was referred today. Is that another different enroller? This is crazy. It's a different enroller. So this is what momentum looks like. It's happening right now underneath you. It's absolutely crazy. And of course, I haven't had time to support, when I have time, I'm going to go back and find out who's enrolling people, making sure that they have the tools, the resources to do all this properly. We're just getting started. The momentum is here. You only need 2 legs to make literally an unlimited income. It's absolutely remarkable. If you're going through the Getting Started training, you're learning about how the binary works, how the compensation plan works. Take the time to understand what you have a hold of here. This is all underneath you. This is your team helping you build your business. It's real. And as people enroll, which we've seen that people do, and as time goes by and more people experience the products and results in the products, it just continues to compound and grow. So I just wanted to show that to you. It's absolutely amazing. That's your team right now, growing while you're off doing what you're doing. Now, obviously, those of you who take action are obviously going to be in a much better place than those who don't. So, start building that second leg. I'll provide more resources, incredible resources to help you do that. Of course, we have the marketing rotators out. There's a couple days left at the time of this recording to qualify to earn more shares in the marketing rotator, where I'm putting $5,000 of my own money in and my time and energy to set that up. And then if you win those shares, you're going to be getting more free leads that will be driving down your second leg. If you're not able to qualify for that or what have you, and even if you do, you should be doing additional stuff. Just build that second leg. Focus on that second leg. You do need to get at least one person, maybe a couple people in your left leg, but then you'll be able to focus almost entirely on your second leg. Anyone here can do it. Get excited. Stay excited. What you focus on expands. Focus on building your second leg and getting momentum in that second leg. I will be helping you tremendously, but I've shared a number of things that you could be doing right now to be able to get that going. You don't have to wait. I'll see you guys soon. Make it a fantastic new year. Let's just do something absolutely incredible this coming year. I'll see you soon.